Good day, future leaders. I'm Althea Neri from grade 11 Eritrea and the research leader of this group. I will be discussing our study entitled Study on the Relationship between Relationship Satisfaction and Academic Performance among Golden Fleet Academy senior high school students, together with my group members Bakuli, Dimayuga, Javier, Lacanyanta, Marquez, Laguiat, and Palilio. This slide contains the overview of our study.
Our background of the study included our overview of each variable. So in terms of relationship satisfaction, having relationship with other people is significant to our life because it is vital to our mental health and emotional well-being, and it provides opportunities for learning, growth, and understanding oneself and others, stated by Demir et al. 2022. While Fitzmaurice et al. 2022 stated that the personal relationships are a learning experience that helps them understand their preferences, values, and communication skills in relationship. For our statement of the problem, we collected the demographic profile of the senior high school students at Golden Fleet Academy for us to observe their academic performance, which are grade level, strand, family type, student type, biological sex, romantic relationship status, religion, and socioeconomic status. We also provided 2 questions for the students to answer, which are, does academic performance among Golden Fleet Academy Senior High School have a strong correlation with relationship? And how this level of relationship satisfaction affect the academic performance of Golden Fleet Academy Senior High School students. For the significance of the study, the findings of the study will be particularly beneficial for the following, which are the students, parents, teachers, and future researchers. And for our scope and delimitation, our study will only cover the grade 11 and 12 Golden Fleet Academy Senior High School students enrolled for the academic year 2023 to 2024. There will be no study conducted outside the school.
For our review-related literature, we gathered 3 RRLs for both relationship satisfaction and academic performance. Teacher and student's relationship are an important part of students' interpersonal context that impact their overall academic development. Second, the amount and quality of having a relationship and interaction with an instructor is a predictor of learner satisfaction because it increases motivation, guidance, support, and encouragement for the learners. Third, the presence of good quality interpersonal relationship promote their academic achievement through right support. And the 3 RRLs for academic performance. Study of Vilmas 2023 shows that determined relationship between interaction, satisfaction, and academic achievement in learning environments. Second, continuance intention mediate the relationship between satisfaction and academic performance, as well as the relationship between information, value, and academic performance. Nguyen 2023 found that resilience partially mediate the relationship between academic stress, depression with the life satisfaction, moderating indirect effect of academic stress on depressive disorder. The research gap for our study is this paper is unique compared to the review-related literature that was discussed previously. These related research studies are done in foreign countries in different parts of the Philippines, while this study is strictly limited to senior high school students of Golden Fleet Academy in Taytay Rizal to provide context and specific findings.
We choose causal comparative research design to determine the relationship between relationship satisfaction to students' academic performance. Our independent variable is student leadership, while the dependent variable will be students' academic performance. The researcher considered stress level and family type as an extraneous variable as it has the potential to influence the outcome of the study.
For our research instrument, we use the Likert scale that will be incorporated to measure the variables. It is a close-ended question answerable by yes or no, or 5-point scale ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. That will help researchers to explore the students' perception about how their relationship satisfaction influences their academic performance.
Using stratified random sampling, the researchers gathered data from 1,144 students to achieve a 95% confidence level with 4% and 8% margins of error, requiring 186 students. This sampling technique helped address identified extraneous variables, aligning with the study's methodological approach.
For the data gathering part, we gathered data by using the questionnaires that was provided by Golden Fleet Academy and was answered by respondents through Google Forms. A total of 2,287 responses were gathered from GFA senior high school students, and the data and information collected will be analyzed by researchers using a statistical method to write the data, results, and conclusions. Let's move on to the data analysis part. The researchers will use a non-parametric causal comparative research design with the Mann-Whitney U-test to assess the correlation or causality between independent and dependent variables. The study focuses on evaluating dispersion and central tendency using a non-parametric statistical approach. The Kolmogorov-Smirnov test shows that academic performance is not normally distributed and the frequency of stress among students is skewed. We also included the formula for the Mann-Whitney U-test, which is pasted here on the PowerPoint.
In this part, I will discuss the discussion of our study, which contains the statistics of this paper. The level of relationship satisfaction and academic performance are determined to have a statistically significant difference based on Mann-Whitney U-test. This indicates that relationship satisfaction has a major impact on the academic performance of senior high school students with a significance level of 0.05 at a 95% level of confidence. The test statistics Z and U are beyond the acceptance region. The obtained p-value of 2.6989 shows a small probability that the researchers will reject a null hypothesis or type 1 error. The descriptive findings clearly indicate that students who experience higher levels of satisfaction in their relationships tend to perform better academically compared to those who report lower levels of satisfaction. Similar studies have found a significant impact of relationship satisfaction said by Alcanci and Amanconor 2023 that the neutral relationship satisfaction levels and its negligible impact on academic performance contrast, which suggests romantic relationships can impact academic progress.
Research problems focuses on understanding the satisfaction levels in relationships among Golden Fate Academy senior high school students. The analysis shows that factors such as academic performance, stress, and family type are crucial determinants. The relationship between personal characteristics and relationship exists due to have following reasons. This could be due to a focus on academic achievements and a supportive environment that mitigates the potential negative impacts of romantic relationships. Or those with higher academic performance tend to have a better relationship satisfaction. However, high stress levels are associated with lower satisfaction. Therefore, personal characteristics collectively shape the relationship satisfaction of students, impacting their overall well-being and academic life. And that's all that we discussed in our research study. Thank you very much for listening.